Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Scholarship Launch Tracker. Here is a quick video so that you can understand how to use the tracker to the best of your abilities. This tracker is provided to you by Scholarship Launch LLC. My name is Professor Miles, and I thank you for listening. Thank you for purchasing this tracker. You are amazing. You are an above and beyond thinker and strategist when it comes to applying for scholarships, and how you approach anything is how you approach everything. So I'm sure you duplicate this effort and intentionality in other areas of your life, or maybe this is the genesis of you really turning over a new leaf of excellence, or maybe it's just further proof of that which you already are. Excellent. So our mission, really simply, is to just remove the financial barriers in higher education for learners. Okay, so a quick summary about this tracker is that it's designed to really help you with your strategy for scholarships, to make sure that you understand how you can approach that. The main complaint that I hear for scholarships really comes down to not just being overwhelmed. One thing that I love about myredkite.com is that they have over $27 billion worth of scholarships, but that is overwhelming. When most of us will probably not make $27 billion in our life, to just fathom how many scholarships that is to go through. I love having it at my disposal, but it's also overwhelming. And that's something that I'm seeing from, a lot of my different customers and students I've been able to work with, district leaders. I can even see it with just college counselors as well. So I want to make sure that we make this as easy as possible. How can we simplify the process for you? I like to remove and reduce the impact of problems. So what we have here is a high school senior, undergrad, and graduate student scholarships broken down to you week by week for the month of June. So let's just go ahead and dive into high school seniors. Two ways that you can get there. We can go here or here. All right. We have $73,500 worth of scholarships available, a total of 14 scholarships, much more manageable than $27 billion worth of scholarships, right? Like, we're simplifying the process. Scholarships.com, fastweb.com, all these websites have an amazing amount of resources. But right here, right now, we have it simplified. And we can see the scholarship amount. We can see when the scholarship is due. We can see the scholarship link, the name of the scholarship. We can complete the scholarship as we want. And then we can see that right here on the scholarship application tracker, it says that I've applied to 6.4% of my scholarships. And that I look and can see that there's 93.6% of scholarship opportunities left. I continue to scroll down. I can see, okay, there's scholarships available. There's a little less than $80,000 worth of scholarships available, and I've applied for looks like maybe $5,000 worth of scholarships. And that tracker will continue to be tracked. So if you are here and you're clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, right, that's going to be impacting what we see here on the tracker. So that's going to be true for your undergraduate. That's going to be true for your graduate. You have your bonus scholarships. I'll just be adding scholarships here at random. And so you can come back to this link every month and you'll see new scholarships added every single month. So then we have the bonus scholarships, but I'm going to be adding at least one for each week. So each of the scholarship, graduate, undergraduate, and high school will get 52 by the end of the year. And that's what you get with just whether you do the one-time purchase or whether you're actually joining the membership. Okay, here's your scholarship checklist. Just go through this checklist every single time that you apply. Boom, bada bing. Boom, and then come back and tell me what it was, how'd it go. I want to know. Find me on TikTok. You already know. At Professor Miles. Boom. Okay. And then additional support we have right here. You can just follow me on TikTok right here. Actually, this is way easier. Boom, just click that. Wow, you can see the quick stats. And then conquer academics, conquer co-curriculars, extracurriculars, and then your purpose in college. So these are some ebooks that you all will really enjoy. And I just want to say thank you for purchasing the tracker once again. And I wish you all the best. Have an amazing time applying for these scholarships. You are so fantastic. You're so ready. You're so amazing. You have to believe that. You have to know that. You need to embody that. Let your nervous system really fill that up and like let all that come out on that essay, come out on the video prompts that you're responding to. You got this.